Have you guys seen cave painting? Any idea about cave painting? Have you guys seen Hampi or even any temple? Have you guys seen the carving on them? So, what are all this? These are visualization of the experience or some kind of story that people wanted to communicate from long time ago. Visualization is a way of us understanding the world. It is a way to break down complex ideas. It simplifies information. It's put express in terms of words, but it's a single picture can speak a lot, right? That's a very famous sentence that has been repeatedly used, by quite a few people, right? That a picture speaks 1,000 words. There's a meaning to it. But what about mathematics, right? Mathematics has a lot of complex ideas. To use visualization over here as well, we do actually. For example, I use this to communicate the idea of something called as limits that comes under, maybe by the time you guys come up, maybe it's in 10th grade also, but now it's under 11th grade, 11th and 12th, limits and derivatives, right? This is a very simple idea, but it becomes simple with visual form. Visualization helps us in simplifying that concept. To start off with, we are going to use visualization, and that visualization starts with your number lines. Whatever you just saw in this video, it starts off with understanding something called as number line. To be honest, even here we are looking at number line. We have a line and we have number on that. That is the number line, as simple as that. A number line is a straight, horizontal or vertical, to be honest. Line used to visually represent numbers in order. Let me give an example. This is a number line. Even this is a number line. So you can see that there's sequence of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a particular aspect, or there is a particular thing about number line, feature about number line. There are a lot actually that we need to understand. Okay, so for you guys, I'll put it in this way. This is a line, right? And I start writing numbers on them. And now this is a number line, as simple as that. So let's look at some of the features of number line. It has a line basically. A number line is a straight line that extends infinitely in both the directions. So it will never end at both the ends. So we get to use arrows at both ends, thus indicating it will never end, right? So this indicates never end. So this we have studied in the previous chapters, never ending. Numbers and marking. So we use marking. And of course, number line will have number. But it's fixed interval. What does fixed interval mean? Let me show you guys with this actually. This makes it simpler. Not that, this. Can you see the gap between 0 and 1? Is it same as any other? Like say 3 and 4? Are the gaps same? Just have a look. Right, they are same, is it not? Even I tried to draw in that manner. Of course, I didn't end up doing so. But you have to notice that the gap will remain fixed. Then orientation. Orientation means it can be either horizontal, vertical, actually it can be in any direction. But one thing is number increases as we move right if it's horizontal. In case of vertical, number increases as we move up. Let me again show that what I mean. It's much easier to communicate this way. So as I move right, the number line, on the number line, the number value will increase 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on and so forth. But when it comes to vertical, it's when we move up, the number increases 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. Again, here too we can see the same, right? Here too, in a concept which is 5 years from now, for you guys, 3 to 4, 5 years from now, even there we are using the number line. So you can see that visualization is a powerful idea, and it's not 1 year kind of usage thing. It will be used in many places. Okay guys, it represents all the numbers. So here I have represented only integers or whole number or natural number, whatever you guys want to call it as. So we have whole number, natural number, and integers. But this point, what we are trying to point out here is we are able to represent anything: fractions, decimals, negative number, positive number, zero, rational number, irrational number. Some of this you might understand, some of this you might not understand, but you should know that number line can represent all the possible number that you can think of, even decimals. Yes. Okay. So that's a small introduction to number line. We'll do a few questions to understand it better.